At a time of COVID-19 pandemic when businesses were struggling to thrive, Shruti Shah, a Mumbai resident who academically belongs to a finance background, thought of taking the fierce decision of starting her entrepreneurial journey in fashion. And within 1 year, she managed to expand her business to a lot of places in India. Well, I am very interested in speaking to her about her journey. Let's see how did she even make it happen. Start with the interview. Where are you based out of these days?
I'm based in Bombay.
Oh, you're currently based in Bombay only. Perfect. I think a good time to talk about clothing and fashion because, when winter comes in Mumbai, people really start experimenting a lot, going for layers and going for a lot of experimental clothing as well. So good time. Yeah. Now, let me quickly begin with your background first, Shruti. As far as I know that you're from the finance background, right? So the first thing that comes to my mind is what made you think that, you could also uh, start your new journey as an entrepreneur. What's that
I
story?
think any startup or any entrepreneur journey is related to finance because everything revolves around numbers, I think. So my first step was
Right.
finance. I understand numbers. So some मेरे लिए इजी था सिंक इन करना प्रोसेस कि ठीक है मुझे नंबर गेम तो आ रही थी एंड देन एक दिन एक थॉट आया एंड देन सीड बोलते हैं ना प्लांट के पहले सीड तो बस देन आई स्टार्टेड विद द
Right.
लेबल.
Right. That's wonderful. Right. Now, when we talk about your journey, especially the beginning of it, I think the idea came to you when which was already a COVID-19 induced pandemic that the country was facing, right? So at that point in time, where already the businesses were finding it really hard to thrive in the market, what made you think that you could start a business that to a clothing label, and could also really feel that that would sustain in the coming years?
Sustainability clothing line is, I think, if you go on Instagram every second you see somebody's opening a clothing line. And if in Bombay,
Right.
if you're living in an apartment or in a society where 300 or 400 flats are in a society, you will find two or three designers in house only. I mean, any auntie would be just becoming a designer, so that's very common here. But
Right.
I had a thought in my
Right.
mind that okay, I want to start something which is relatable, which people can relate to themselves, like individual like me. So I understood that thought and
Hmm.
yes,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
wanted to do. So it is a common business, I understand. There is competition, that also I understand. But same point of time, I was very confident that whatever I'm going to introduce, I'm going to make money from it.
Right. Right. So you were very sure that it is going to get you money,
Yeah,
even if
because
it is a
we
COVID
live
19
in
pandemic,
Bombay.
and even if the future is not
We live
clear.
in Bombay, and if you, I think we live in Bombay, and if you see that if you go to a restaurant, a good restaurant in Bombay, BKC, if you go, you spend around 7-8 grand for two people for a dinner. So I had this thought that I want to open a
Right.
mid-range line wherein my outfit would be between 5 grand to 6 grand, and my main story
Right.
behind the outfit is that after 10 years also you can wear my outfit. It's a very slow fashion. I'm not into fast fashion.
Hmm. 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 That made you think properly that the brand could
Yes, it
survive.
is.
Yeah, yeah. And also because I think that was the time when people really started, getting inclined towards sustainable fashion a lot. It was, the pandemic as well, right? Get sense of it. Now, the other thing that comes to my mind is the name itself, the House of Surk, right? Especially one word that I want to highlight, which is Surk. So I want to understand from you what's the story behind it, because as far as I know, it's an Urdu word, right? I think अदीब दामोही साहब ने क्या खूब कहा है कि सुर्ख आंखें हैं और जर्द मंजर है तो what is Surk for House of Surk, which is a clothing label?
So, Surk, I always had an inclination towards Urdu fascination, and my clothes are also depicting some kind of prints are also going there. So, Surk is basically
Right.
love. And my entire brand
Right.
is that a female should love herself first. So, if she feels confident, she
Right.
feels empowered, everything her उसके surrounding सब अच्छा हो जाएगा.
राइट राइट एंड आई थिंक जब हम उर्दू की बात कर रहे हैं तो एक और बात जो मुझे लगती है जो बेहद खास है ब्रांड के बारे में वो ये है कि आपने कलेक्शन का नाम काफी हिंदी शब्द इस्तेमाल किए अपनी कलेक्शन के नाम में, if I'm not wrong. It's also daftar, it's also rozana. There's also one word called shubh milan in the collection, right? So what's the thought process behind that, keeping a series of names or the collections with Hindi words like that?
गोइंग बैक टू आवर एंसेस्टर, मतलब पुराने रूट्स के साथ जोड़े हुए रहना. दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव. आई मीन, आई स्टे इन बॉम्बे, आई स्टे इन अ मॉडर्न सोसाइटी
Right,
वेयर माय थॉट्स आर स्टिल लिटिल
right.
पुराने एंड लिटिल ऐसा पुराने के
I
साथ
don't think
रहना.
I don't think if you're I don't think if you're using Hindi or if you speak in Hindi, your thoughts become purane. I don't
Not
think
like
we
that,
are
not
talking about
purane
that. I
purane,
think we
but
are very much
I
modern.
don't want myself to, जैसे कि आजकल new names, jazzy names, and this Gen Z things have come up so much that if you see
Right,
people nowadays, they just speak those words which are not, I'm not able to understand also. But for me, getting
right.
ourselves to our
Hmm.
own roots is more important.
Right, right. That's right. That makes me also wonder, where are you originally from? Have you been a native of Bombay, or you originally
So I
from
am born
somewhere
and brought
else?
up in Bombay. My parents are from Gujarat. My dad is from Gujarat, but I have never been to my native. As
Right,
I'm from Bombay only. That's it.
right, right, right. I think that is why you have good presence in Gujarat also,
Yeah,
if I'm not wrong. There are retail presence over there, right?
yeah.
Right. Also, when it comes to building, when it comes to building of brand, a team, an entire company, it requires the team efforts also a lot, right? So, according to you, in this 1 year journey, how do you see this? What has been the most rewarding things for you, or what could be the major challenges that you could encounter during this
I
journey?
think major challenges are being faced daily, and coming out of it nicely is, I
Yeah,
think my team is doing it very nicely because I'm into a lot of other work also. So my team has been trained themselves so nicely that okay, ma'am को ये चाहिए और वो कर देते हैं. But I think my team is my family, and without them I couldn't survive. So I have very good friend of mine
right,
who's 10, 12 years older to me, and I just went and I told her, okay, I'm going to start a brand, and she said, okay, I'm in. So that is how she came with me. Then I have Sunita with me, I have Dipali with me. So
right.
Dipali is my friend, I just told you. She's a very good interior designer, and when I went
Yeah,
and I told her that okay, I want to do this, she said, okay, I'm in. So like that, everyone
right,
has come up together,
right.
and when we started, we were just two or three people. So I have somebody from overseas also helping me, and then today we are a team of around 20
Right.
people, more than 20 people, I would say.
That is not just based in Bombay, but also in other parts of the country. Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. I was also talking about the kind of achievements that you feel came with the brand, and the kind of rewards that you would like to highlight when it comes to House of Sur.
Achievements that we've achieved till now is that we have not done any kind of marketing as such, only by Instagram and performance marketing that we are doing. We are at 32 stores in India today, and we are daily selling, and we are getting repeat customers, and we are getting international customers, and we are at Nika, we are at Jaipore, we just recently got listed on Loom. So I think
Right.
we are doing very well on our own. We are sustaining on our own. We don't need
Right.
any additional marketing right now. Our designs itself are made
Right.
in
That's
such a way
wonderful.
that it's been helping to grow on its own. We are not, like बहुत marketing कर
Right.
करके आगे जाना है. अपने हिसाब से वो grow हो रहा है.
Right. Right. Now, when you talk about the presence in other cities, I think that also makes me ask you that the kind of retail presence that you have, for your brand, which is fast spanning, right, in various cities. What made you think you could also expand your horizon to other cities? And what is the entire mantra behind such a good expansion in the matter of 1 year?
बिकॉज पहले मैंने इतना नहीं सोचा था कि मैं सिटीज सिटीज ट्रैवल करूंगी. बट वंस आई वॉज इन गोवा, I met someone, and by what I was wearing, she
Right,
had visited a store in Kolkata, and she said, okay, you are the owner of House of Sur, because just by what I was wearing, she could recognize that. And touch and feel factor.
right,
So that made me understood that as many as people I could go, because there are people who don't come online shopping, they just want to go to stores and understand. So that made me and another chain opening, that okay, touch and feel factor would made me reach everyone's house like
right,
that also through stores.
right. Right. I think I know about you that you like to be called that you're a self-proclaimed shopaholic as well. So, how is your passion for fashion also influenced the brand and also given the direction for the collection, for the entire brand strategy?
I first, when I was not having a label of my own, I used to go to new
Yeah,
sites daily and used to search what new collections they have and not repeat collections. So when I started House of
right,
Sur, I had to make an understand that okay, if she has to come back on the page, what new should I come up so that she can shop again. So that
right.
shopaholic nature made me understand other people's nature, and I could make my collection that way.
Correct. That makes sense. That makes sense. So now, in the journey of 1 year that you can say, what is that one thing that you can really tell our viewers that you have learnt being an entrepreneur?
I think I have only learned to be patient. I need to have a lot of
Right.
more patience that I have to build up. I am trying, but
Right.
it has made me a better person, I think. It's a baby
Right.
altogether.
Right. Right. How is brand helping you, with being even more patient? When you say that I have learned to be patient, what kind of challenges that come with it that makes you be patient?
Overthinking stop हो जाती है सबसे पहले, because daily you're not going to get good results. There are some few days, bad
Right.
days, good days, so you have to just
Right.
go with the flow. Then self doubt आ जाता है, मैं बराबर कर रही हूँ कि नहीं, मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ कि
Right.
नहीं. And there
Right.
are other people जो आपके अराउंड रहते हैं कि नहीं आप ठीक नहीं कर रहे हो. So वो सारी चीज़ों के साथ आप पेशेंटली डील करना सीख जाते हो. And then
Right.
once you are in charge of something, you need to understand that there are so many people जो आपके डिसीजन पे रहते हैं. आप कुछ गलत डिसीजन ले रहे हो तो आपके वजह से बहुत सारे लोग डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं, तो दैट मेक्स यू अ वेरी बेटर पर्सन.
Right, right. So I think that is something that when we talk about you've learned something, then it becomes your patience. But when I
Yeah,
ask you that what is your one mantra that has kept you going all this while and that you would also like the readers to know or reviewers to know, what would that be?
आई थिंक आई शुड लेट एवरीवन नो कि आप बिजनेस शुरू कर दो. सब कहते हैं बिजनेस करना किसी के बस की
Yeah,
बात नहीं होती, ये होता है वो होता है. करोगे तो पता चलेगा ना क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. देयर इज नो एज सच फेलियर. जस्ट डू इट.
yeah.
एवरीथिंग विल बी
It just
फाइन
this
वन
is the
फाइन डे.
time. Yeah, now is
यस.
your time. You just do that.
हाँ, किसी का
Right,
मत
right,
सुनो,
right.
बस करो.
Right, right. Okay, now when we see the brand right now, it has good retail presence, it has good online presence as well. And as you said, there are a lot of people to relate to the kind of fashion that you are trying to promote as well through your brand. Now, how do you see yourself? How do you see the brand going in the coming time?
I see myself that I have two segments in my brand. One is an Indian wear and one is a Western wear. So within
Right.
5 years, I want people wearing skirts daily to office. That is the
Right.
जैसे
But don't you
it.
think people do already wear skirts to the office? I am
No,
I
not.
am in a skirt. I'm in a skirt right now in the
But you're not
office.
in a printed skirt. What House of Surk is selling.
Yeah, right.
You
I
are in
like
a
to buy your argument now.
you might be in a corporate skirt. We are selling printed skirts.
Yeah. I would like to say in my defense that I do wear it, but right now I'm in a corporate skirt, yes.
So we
But that
that
is
is.
not a mandate. We have a casual wear in our office. But yes, I agree with your point. Yes.
Yeah,
Let's
so we
make it
want.
casual for office.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we want people to wear, जैसे people wear boots to the airport and people wear blazers. So we want people to wear three-piece Punjabi with nice dupatta, cozy dupatta, and a shawl to airport. That is what House of Sur we want to portray.
Wow, nice, nice. I think
We
that
don't
is
want boots
that is why.
anymore.
I think you're against boots. There, I think I can say that you're against the Western clothing at all, like
No,
properly.
no, I'm
You
not
know,
against Western clothing. I'm all
right,
against setting a new line of fashion. आप देखो थोड़े साल पहले बूट कट थे. अब उसको अब कॉट सेट में आ गए. वो कॉट सेट में हम बूट कट डाल रहे नीचे. So it's all
right,
history is again repeating. It's everything past
correct.
that is coming.
Right, right. So you want that revival to also be there, and
Yes.
when it comes to clothing for women, especially,
So
right?
I just want people to understand कि आपके पास जो कबर्ड में है आप उसमें ही सरवाइव कर सकते हो. आपको लोगों के साथ कंपटीशन करने के लिए कुछ नई चीजें लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे आई सी
Right,
माई यंगर जनरेशन, उनको एयरपोर्ट जाना है, नहीं ये खरीदना पड़ेगा, मुझे ये लुक करना पड़ेगा. नहीं, आपके पास जो है उसमें कूल लुक सेट करो. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू
right,
लेट पीपल नो.
right. And in terms of sustainable fashion, when we talk of it, when we talk about having or repeating your outfits or really
Yes.
trying to mix match your outfit a lot,
Yes.
to be able to promote sustainable fashion. That is what House of Silk stands for in that sense.
हाउस ऑफ सिल्क स्टैंड्स फॉर कॉन्फिडेंस आपको बिल्ड करना है.
Right, with House of Silk's clothing, right?
Yeah.
Right, right. All right. I think we had pretty much all our conversations, and it's been a lovely conversation with you, and a very funny conversation as well that I would like to remember. Right. Thank you so much for the time,
Thank
Shruti,
you.
and
Thank
the
you.
entire team. Yeah. Thank you, Shruti. Thank
Thank
you. Have a
you.
nice day.